First, the square of three variables, that is sum of three variables, and it was squared. We discussed that one. In that, we have to remember only one identity. Okay, rest we can derive depending on the plus minus sign. We can mold the equation or the identity. Okay, today we'll be discussing one more expansion. Okay, here two conditions will be given. Okay, here two conditions are given. Okay, we'll get the third as a result. Okay, or any of these three, any two may be given, the third we have to calculate or find or to show. Okay, Abdul. Okay. So in every class, wherever Abdul appears in lobby, please tell the teachers to admit him. Okay. Whenever you see Abdul in lobby, please tell teacher to admit him. Okay. Just remind teacher. Okay. Any of the student can remind that. Okay. So if x cube plus y cube plus z cube equal to 3xyz. Okay, it is being given. This is first condition that is being provided to us. X cube plus y cube plus z cube. Okay, just pay attention to the board, and this will be okay. This is first condition provided to us. That is x cube plus y cube plus z cube equal to 3xyz. Okay, and one more is being given. X plus y plus z equal to 0. That is sum of these three variables is 0. And sum of their cubes is 3xyz. This is clear. These two conditions are given. And we have to show. See here, sum of the two variables, their square divided by their product, plus y plus z, yz, plus x plus z upon xz. And these are squares. Okay. This is how much? 3. Okay, its value we have to find. Okay, its value we have to find. This is fine. So we have to use these two conditions, these two provided to us, and we have to solve for this one. Okay, so you can see x plus y we can get from here, y plus z we can get from here. Okay, so x plus y we'll be using second one. Okay, first we are using second one. X plus y equal to how much? Minus z. From first we have to add. Y plus z equal to how much? Minus x. And x plus z will be how much? Minus y. Okay. Put this value there.
Minus.
Okay, we are taking on that side. See here, z goes on left, right hand side, it will become minus.
Yes, sir.
Okay, solve till here in your notebook. Solve it in your notebook till here. Okay, and then each one substitute the value x plus y as minus z, the whole square. Substitute everyone. Okay, just do it once. Substitute and find what you are getting here. Okay, first term I do. Okay, it will be minus z the square upon xy. So next time it will be z square. We have studied minus a raised to power m equal to a raised to power m if m is even. This we have studied. Substitute everyone. Value of x plus y, y plus z, x plus z. Everyone do it in your notebook. So first we are making use of second equation. Okay. And we have substituted x plus y. Instead of x plus y, we have put minus z. Y plus z, you will put minus x. X plus z, you will put minus y. Everyone have put the values? Everyone who got anyone remaining? Okay. Okay. See the question again once. What is being given? X cube plus y cube plus z cube equal to 3xyz. This is being provided to us. That is sum of the cubes of the variable is 3xyz. Okay, here x plus y plus z equal to 0 is given. Okay, now these two will be using to calculate its value. Okay, so how we can make use of this one? If we see the question x plus y, we can substitute here. So first we are substituting these values. Okay, now see here. In denominator it is xy, And in numerator, we are okay. Almost step I write. Plus, here will be minus x square divided by yz plus minus y square divided by xz. Okay, it will be z square upon xy plus x square upon yz plus y square upon xz. You must pay attention for this one because the whole exercise we are going to make use of this one. Okay, or little bit variation will be there, but this will be the basic. Okay, what you are going to say, z square x square y square upon xy yz xz. See here, it is x cube y cube z cube. Here we have in z square x square y square. Now if we take the LCM, it will be z will be there, z cube we can get. So we can make use of this one. So next step, what we have to do, we have to take the LCM. Okay, take the LCM, and you can see xyz, xyz. It may get cancelled as well. So xyz will be the LCM, xy into z. So we are getting z cube. Here we'll be getting x cube. Here we'll be getting y cube. So now we can replace it by cxyz, x square plus x cube plus y cube plus z cube. So it will be 3xyz divided by xyz. So how much we have got? 3. Okay. For 1 minute, just go through it once. Try to understand it. Okay. How we have did? X plus y, we substituted. Z square we got, x square we got, y square we got. There's sum, the cube sum. Here we have the square. If we take the LCM, it will be z cube. Here will be x cube, y cube. And we can find the value. Just go through it once for 30 seconds. Go through it once from starting and try to see. Okay, try to understand that one. We can move further there. Those students, if it is clear exercise, you can start. First question. Okay, try to do it. First question, everyone. If you have understood this one, anyone have doubt? If you understood this one, do the first question. Do the first question. Rest we will discuss along with the exercise. Okay. This is clear to everyone. Anyone have doubt? Anyone having doubt?
No.
Anyone in class? No one? Okay. Everyone have understood? This is being given, this is being given. Sum of the cubes, sum of the variables. Sum of the variables, sum of their cubes. This is being given and we have to make use of these two here. So x plus y we can replace. This we can replace this here. We have replaced, we got this one. We need x cube, y cube and z cube. So, and if we take the LCM, it will be z cube, x cube and we can replace it. Understood? Now do the first one. Start doing in your notebook, everyone. Start doing your notebook in your notebook. It's the same way we have to do. Start doing it. Everyone keep doing the first question. Okay, first question, if you're able to do, most of the question you will be able to, very easily you will be able to solve. So here again, two conditions are given. X plus 2y plus 3z equal to 0. 3z, okay. Here, see here, x cube plus 8y cube plus 27z cube. You can see here, It's the cube of x. It's the cube of 2y. 2y the whole cube. We are getting 8y cube. It is the cube
Sir,
of
it is given 4y cube.
4y cube is given. Okay, 4 and 9 only. Okay, okay. Yes, it will be 4. Because square z will be multiplied. Thank you. It will be 4. It will be 9z cube equal to 18xyz. 18xyz. This is being given. Here, see here. Okay, we'll see it afterwards as well. y4, y9. It's the square of that one. 9 is the square of these coefficients. 2 square 4, 3 square 9. Okay. Now we have to find the value of x plus 2y divided by xy whole square plus 2y plus 3z square divided by yz plus x plus 3z. It's square divided by its value we have to find. Okay, do it in your notebook, everyone. So x plus 2y, what we can put? X plus 2y equal to minus 3z. Don't miss the step. Minus 3z the whole square. Minus 3z the whole square. Okay, divided by xy plus, I'll be a bit slow for this question. It's important. 2y plus 3z will be how much? Minus x square upon yz. X plus 3z minus 2y the whole square. Everyone have understood? Okay. Now take the square minus, it will be 9z square upon xy plus x square upon yz. And here it will be 4y square upon xz. Okay. Take the LCM. You will get the value. Take the LCM now, solve it. You can rearrange as well, you can solve it. So it will be 9z cube LCM xyz plus x cube plus 4y cube. And what is the value of this one? 18xyz. Just put the value and divided by xyz. They get cancelled, we got 18. Everyone have understood this one?
Yes, sir.
Okay, then do the second one. A minus 1 upon a, you have to find the value. Do the second one. A plus 1 upon a is given. How you can calculate the value of a minus 1 upon a? Calculate its value. Everyone keep doing your notebook. A plus 1 upon a equal to m and a not equal to 0. Okay, and we have to calculate a minus 1 upon a. How we can calculate? So take the square and first we will find a square plus 1 upon a square value. We will put its value and we can get its square value, then taking the root. Okay, calculate everyone. Everyone calculate it. Everyone calculate it. Anyone who is not able to do this one? Anyone who is not able to do this one? Anyone in class? A plus 1 upon a, the whole square. Expand it, a square plus 1 upon a square plus 2. So its value you already have m square. Its value you will calculate. Its value in terms of m you will get. Yes or no? Its value you will get in its terms. Okay. Then its square, and that value you will put here. Plus or minus 2. Okay. From here you get its value, and you will put here its value you will get. Okay. And take the root. So plus minus root of. Okay, you get it. Here you are getting m square minus 2. M square minus 2 minus 4 plus minus root of m square minus 4 are you getting? Have we got the value?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
A minus 1 upon a. The value must be root of m square minus 4 and plus minus as well. Okay. Now calculate that one, a square minus 1 upon a square. Which identity we are going to use? The most liked one. Okay, just give me a second.
Sir.
Do this one. Yes, keep doing the question. Which identity we are going to use here?
Sir, a plus 1 by a into a minus 1 by a.
Good. A minus a. Okay, solve it. So already we have m. We have this one. So plus minus m root of m square minus 1. That will be the answer. Understood? Okay, third one, do his homework. Okay, I'll give you the similar kind of question you have done in 8th as well. Okay. Okay, this is the question. X plus 2 the whole square. So what will be its answer? X square plus 4x plus 4. This will be the answer. What is the quotient of x square? 1. Quotient of 4x. 4. Quotient of, okay, only the quotient. That is the constant term. It is 4. Okay, if it is x minus 2 the whole square. X square minus 4x plus 4. What is the quotient of x? Minus 4. Quotient of x? Minus 4. Understood this question? So third question, do as homework. First square, x minus 4 the whole square, do it. And then do the rest. Okay, you can do one more thing here. See here, this question, what is given? 2x square minus 8. Okay, so x minus 4 the whole square. This is being given 2x square, I think. Okay, 2x square. Okay, take 2 common out. You can simply expand this one, then multiply with this one, or 2 common out, it will be x square minus 4. Okay, no, that it again it will be, no, leave it. Okay, multiply that one again. Or you can do it like this as well. So this third question you can do as homework, yes or no? Third question you can do as homework. Okay, do the fourth one. How you are going to do fourth one? Read the fourth question once. Read the fourth question once. Everyone, read the fourth question. So here, x square plus 1 upon x square is given. X square plus 1 upon 9x square. 9x square. It is given how much? 25 upon 36. And what we have to calculate? X cube plus x cube plus its value we have to calculate. Anyone in class, how we can proceed? Or we can write it like this as well, x square plus 1 upon 3x the whole square. How you can proceed? Anyone in class? This is being provided, we have to calculate this one. How we can proceed? First, what we have to find?
So x plus 1 upon 3x.
X plus 1 upon 3x. Its value we can calculate, yes or no?
Yes,
X
sir.
square plus 1 upon. Okay, how? If we take its square, what it will be? X square plus 1 upon 3x square plus 3 or 2. It's square, so 2ab into x into 1 upon 3x. X has get cancelled. So how much you are getting? 2 upon 3. Don't forget this 3 because it is 2ab. 2 into this, how we have got? 2 into x into 2 into a into b. 1 upon 3x. So x's get cancelled. We are getting 2 upon 3. Understood this one? Have you understood this one? Calculate its value and tell me how much you have got. Everyone calculate the value. Put here its value 25 upon 36 plus 2 upon 3. Calculate the value. Everyone calculate the value. So how much it is coming? How much you are getting? Anyone in class, how much you have got? Square value. Take the LCM and tell me. How much? Have you got it? This value? 3 to algebra, 2 to algebra, 24, 24 plus 29, 49. Is this clear? Calculate this value x plus 1 upon x, 1 upon 3x. Root of this one.
That
So it will be plus 7 upon 6 plus minus 6. Okay. See, while solving, avoid this plus minus sign. At last we can put. Okay. At last we can put. Okay. Now can you calculate this one? Now it's very easy. So what will be the expansion of x plus 1 upon 3x, the whole cube? X cube plus 1 upon 3x, whole cube, plus 3ab. 3ab. X plus a plus b, 1 upon 3x. Always write the steps complete. Okay. So it is how much? X cube plus 1 upon 27x cube plus x get cancelled, 3 get cancelled, x plus 1 upon x. And here we have x plus 1 upon x plus 1 upon 3x. 3x, the whole cube. Put the values and calculate its value. 7 upon 6, 49, 3, 4, 3. Here are 216. Solve it. Solve it, everyone. Everyone have got the answer or not? Its value we have to calculate. Plus 1 upon 6. So x cube plus 1 upon 27x cube. 7 upon 6, the whole cube, minus 7 upon 6. Either you can take common out, that is 7 upon 6. Either you can take 343 upon 216. You can do that way, or you can do it like this: 7 upon 7 square, it will be 49. Okay, 7 square upon 6 square minus 1. 7 upon 6, it will be 49 minus 36 divided by 36. So it will be 13 7 into 13 divided by 36. It will be 91 upon 36. Okay, plus minus you can put. Okay, no plus minus, this one only. 91 upon 36. Understood? Fourth D, fourth question. Okay. Have you understood this one? Everyone have understood? Any doubt? Okay. Fifth one, how you are going to do fifth one? See the question once. Any doubt in fourth question? Only these equations we are using, identities we are using. Okay, just pay attention while adding, subtracting, multiplying. Okay. Next one. What we can do to the what is being given to us? Anyone in class, how we can proceed in that? Okay, see the
Sir,
question. What
can
is
you
the
tell the question number 4, the last
last part here?
line? Yes, sir.
Okay. This we have already got. Okay. X plus 1 upon 3x. How much? 7 upon 6 we have calculated. Cube. Understood? X cube plus. So don't hesitate. Ask immediately wherever you don't wait for others to speak. Okay. 7 upon 6. Now its value we have to calculate this. We have to take on left hand side, or we can write it like this as well. X cube plus 1 upon 27 x cube equal to 7 upon 6 the whole cube minus 7 upon 6. Further you can solve. Now you can solve. Okay, I did by
Yes,
taking
sir.
the common out. Okay. Okay, further you can solve. Okay. Okay, see the question. 2x square plus 1 equal to how much? 5x. This is being given, and what we have to calculate? X minus 1 upon x and x square minus 1 upon x square. So this is being given and we need to calculate this one. Okay. How we can do? Because x minus 1 upon x, here, from here, if we can calculate x plus 1 upon x, can we mold this equation in such a way that we can get x plus 1 upon x equal to something? Try to do that one. Okay, till I rub the board. Because we have to calculate value of x minus 1 upon x. If we can get the value from here, x plus 1 upon x, something like that, if we can calculate. Can you do? Anyone? See equation? See this one, okay? X plus 1 upon x we must have. So think about it. How we are going to proceed.
Sir, can we divide the whole equation by x?
Why not? Try it. We can divide both sides by x, or from here we can take that side as well. No issues. We can do. You are free to do any operation. You have all the scissors and all. Scalpel, anything you can use. Okay. But they must be within the rules of mathematics. Okay. You must follow the ethics of mathematics. So how we are going to proceed? Okay, see here. If I take 2 this side, okay, I'm moving one by one. X square plus 1 equal to 5 by 2 x. Can you see something? If I divide by x plus 1 upon x. So it will be x square plus 1 divided by x. I can write it like this, yes or no? Constants on one side, variables and all those on other side. Okay, if I divide now, x plus 1 upon x. Have I got? Have we got it? Yes or no? Because we must have x, we have to calculate x minus 1 upon x square or cube it is, x square, x cube. Okay, x cube minus 1 upon x cube we have to calculate. Have you got? Now can you calculate x minus 1 upon x? By squaring x square plus 1 upon x term you will get, and from that you can calculate this one. Rest you will use this one to calculate this one. Understood or not? Have you understood?
Yes, sir.
Okay,
No,
do as
sir.
homework. What
Sir,
you
not
haven't understood? What not understood? These kind of questions we have
Sir,
done
after-
already. After?
Sir, after getting 5 by 2.
After getting? What you have to
5 by-
do? We have done many times. What you have to do? Earlier questions we have done. What we did in second? Second question, have you understood? A minus 1 upon A. We have calculated there?
Yes, sir.
Yes or no? Okay, use
Yes,
that
sir.
one. Okay, and this is nothing but x minus 1 upon x whole cube. X cube minus 1 upon x cube minus 3 x minus 1 upon x. This we have to get its value we have, its value we have from here. Understood? Okay, this question, I'll take 1 or 2 minutes more. A square plus b square is given, ab is given. So can you calculate a plus b and a minus b? Their values can you calculate? Yes or no? A square plus b square is given, ab as well given. Can you calculate their values?
Yes, sir.
Okay, but we don't require their values. What we require? A plus b the whole square. This you can calculate. A square plus b square plus 2ab. A square plus b square minus 2ab. Put the values here, you will get it. So a plus b the whole square, you will be getting 58. Okay, and a minus b the whole square, you will be getting 10. Now you have to just substitute that. Yes or no? And you can calculate the next one. The square only we have to calculate. So, okay, seventh one is given straightforward. Yes or no? Seventh one is given straightforward. Eighth one as well. Okay, till eighth you can solve. In eighth, x plus 1 upon x you can calculate. Okay, in eighth, see here, x plus 1 upon x you can calculate, or x minus 1 upon x minus 1 upon x you can calculate. Okay, it is given 7x cube plus 8x minus 7 upon x cube minus 8 upon x cube. Okay, see your first and third term. Take 7 common out, x cube minus 1 upon x cube. Here, take, okay, 1 minute, it is x and 8 upon x. Okay. Take 8 common out, x minus 1 upon x. Its value you can put, its value you can put. Okay, try up to the 8th question. Okay, try up to 8th question. 9th, if you are able to do, try that one as well. Try up to 8th question. Okay, if you don't get it, do ask. 9th as well you can try. I give you a hint. X equal to 1 upon x minus 5. Take the reciprocal. Okay, 1 minute, what again? It is x. Okay. Okay, 1 upon x equal to x minus 5. Okay, so we can write it as x minus 1 upon x equal to 5. Yes or no? Try these questions. Okay, try this question 9th and 10th. Okay, up to 10th, try. They are very easy. Okay, we'll see them in class if you don't get it. Understood? Try up to 10th question today. We end the class here. Thank you. Okay, try them or else we'll see in class. Okay.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.